Um, hello. So today, welcome to another video. So I have this Toyota Corolla. I think the Crown, Toyota Crown athlete. Sorry, not many people know about it. It's just like a Japanese car. Not like Japan, obviously. Anyway, correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's a Japanese car. Anyway, today, as you can see, the rain and the flood control. We will do some flood escape. So what I want to start with is you have a car that's very hard to do. Then I'll go up and have more and more cars. Now, let me look at the good spot for the escape. I think over there, that mountain, a big mountain here or something. Yeah, this could work here. I can barely see for the rain. Yeah, over here. So let me where's the hot? Let's see. What's the water? If I put the water level up here, then that would have to be the height. Okay. Now we put the water level back to 0. Then back to 0. Bam. Okay. There's I think that's it. Oh, that's not. That's not the no. How about this? Bam. Okay, let's start. Okay. So I think the speed, let's start, I don't know how fast this will be, but let's do that. Let me see how fast this is. Let me reset. Is it flooding? No, it's not. If I enable it, how fast is that? That's super slow. I mean, it's like, is it? It's going up, but it's like nothing. Yeah, I can easily run. I'm gonna do that, something. Increase to initial. Reset what? Is it still flooding? It shouldn't be flooding. Is the water going up? No, it's not. Okay. Now let's raise the speed a bit more. Let's see if I enable that. What about here? I think we can do set. Let me put the rain again. Set here. And 3, 2, 1. Go. Is it not? How did it reset? Oh my god, it reset. Oh yeah, it reset all. Okay. Reset water level. Bam. Speed would be that. Enable. Happy that doesn't do that one. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the rain. That's too fast. I can't do that. Reset water level. What we do over this spout? Enable and go. That's a bit too much too. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna lower it down to 19,000. A point and 19. Is that better? And enabled 3, 2, 1. I think we can put this. Might be able to. Oh, we did it. Okay. Now I have to actually worry more about it. Let me do a bit of a cheat, you know. Just a bit of a cheat. So, to get there... Yeah, it's pretty easy. Okay, that makes sense. I could have figured that out without having to cheat it. Oh, damn. Now I'm gonna do, after this one, it's gonna be a mid. And then, one that's OP. So... Okay. It's cool. It's Crown athlete. Sorry, this is Corolla. Actually not bad. Okay. Oh. Damn, I wonder what happened there. Rip. How far is the water? The water's like 19 minutes. It's coming up. slowly but surely. That's the thing, because like it's, and then it evens out. It's hard to get up there because it's right there. Okay, you know what, let me redo this. I'm gonna get the speed a bit higher, faster, because it seems like if it's, we've got halfway, so 3, 2, 1, go. I want to be like in the thing, yeah, it's kind of like that. Okay, now I have to be a bit quick here, because this is an issue. What's that? Oh, okay. Go. Oh my. Sheesh. What is that? Okay, yeah, the water's close. Is there in here? Oh yeah, water's close. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I need to run when I do this. Because now the uphill would be going up there. So to do that, I'd have to like, I would have had to go through here, but there's no way because it's blocked off. Is it? No, it's not, actually. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's another way to go through there. Oh yeah, but is it possible to go through here into it? Possibly not, but I don't know. Yeah, there ain't no way. I'm just... I don't know that graphical issue with the water there, but it's something with this map that does that. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. We figured out the plan. Okay. This rain is just... Boy. Ooh. Okay. I don't know what would cause this road to be this bad. Oh, this is gonna be a pain. Yeah, just run. Because we're gonna have to go on the fastest. On my fastest. I definitely missed this. Oh my. At least you got a pretty cool roll over there. Yeah, I mean, it's already probably flooded. Yeah, it's already starting to flood. So somehow manage. Oh yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Shred. This time I feel kind of sad. Okay, maybe over here I can try. Right? Nah. I may have messed myself up again. Of course there has to be a railing. I could have kind of messed me up again. This is just gonna be me trying. Oh yes. Let's go. Oh, okay. Let's go. Okay. I didn't know where to go because this is killing me. Rain is such a... Oh. That was gonna happen. Yeah, I was way too late on that one. The entire valley got flooded. If I only didn't mess up over here, I probably would have been able to make it. With this thing behind me, but I'd probably be able to. And then I'd be able to go through here. Then, you know, do all that. Second try. This will be the last try with this car, and then I'll change. Let's go. Is the water level moving? Yes, it is. Okay. Let's go. We can do it. Let's go. Okay, we're good. Let's go. Gotta go quick here, if not we're screwed. Okay. Oh no! How did I do that? Never mind, we're not doing that. This might have been the mess on the ground. Yeah, that was gonna happen. Flood. Oh wow, that is blinding. Oh my! If I didn't turn, of course I was gonna mess up. If I only stayed straight, I mean, I might have messed up there again, but I would have been free. I'll do it one more time. I know I said that was the last one, but let's do it one more time. How about 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. We gotta go quicker this time. I don't know about quicker. We did pretty good. Of course, I hit a tree. Of course, I hit a tree. Why wouldn't I hit a tree? I always messed up. Oh my! 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's do it with the 5th try. This is a pain. It's been 11 minutes already? Okay, well this will be a very long episode. I don't know how many people want to watch a 30-minute Beamng episode, but that's probably gonna happen. And if you have made it this far into it, thank you. That's good. I guess. We're gonna do this good again, so let's just gun it. Gun it. Oh, that was perfect. That was perfect. Gotta gun it here, and then maybe figure out what to do over here. There's this. I think it's over. Yeah. Okay, should be free. It's not another one of those. Okay, turn here. Oh no. Was that the road? Oh yeah, this is the road. Okay, I thought there was another road. Oh, there's another road. Oh no. No. Okay, yeah, we're sure. I only had a bit more. That road didn't matter so much. Well, I would be here for an hour, just in this car. So I need to get another car now. How about we do that? Here. What would be a better car? Well, definitely Toyota. Another Toyota. No, actually, let's do a mid car. What would be a mid car? The Volvo XC90, of course. Let's get what seems like it has the highest ground area. I think it's the Momentum, actually. One of the less expensive models. An SUV would probably help with this though, especially if the lights are a lot better. Oh, why did I go on water dirt? Oh no. Okay. Enable. 3, 2, 1, go. We're done. I'll take off this. In theory, since this is an SUV, I should be doing better. In theory. No, probably not, since it's such a big and bulky SUV. As a fact, I mean, there's a doubt I'll make this one now that I mixed it up. Oh, never mind. Come on. 1 minute. Yeah, this is not correctly. The car which has bandages, it feels like perfect to be in this area. Nice. Well, I couldn't do anything there. You know, I guess I'm gonna have to. It's fine. We'll continue. Let's go. I don't know, you know, maybe some people want to watch 30-minute, I don't know, the YouTube video on this. I don't think anyone would know. Okay, we're going. There we go, let's go. I might do like a mod show, okay, since the car is good on. I'm not gonna do that. Jump it. Okay, that's good. I gotta go. It's the same location we have to go to. Same location and the same thing. I just messed myself up. How did I do this? How did I manage this? How do I manage to do this? Okay. Last and final one of this one, because I know I gave this again, I want the crown, but I have to stop it at some point because I want to try the OP part. Probably finish. No, the Land Rover is pretty good. I don't know. Since it takes so much to load the Land Rover, I might just use Forerunner, which also does take a long loading issue too. I'm probably not gonna make it saying this, but hopefully might be screwed, might not be screwed. Oh well, okay. There goes a bumper and a light. Oh, did I do it again? I did it again, didn't I? Yes, I did it again. Of course I did. Why wouldn't I? Had for a second. Weird on. Nah, there ain't no way. Especially after that turn. Yep. Good try. Okay, let's move on to the other car. Haven't made it all the 17 minutes I've been here. Haven't made it once. You'd think I would. I don't know if I'll cut. I probably won't cut the video into pieces because I don't know much about, Okay, that seems good. Let's go. And it has a snorkel. It's the best thing ever. That's the ultimate for this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go. I know that was a very long one, but. Okay, let's go. Let's go. You can do this. Let's go. I'm gonna record this first. Maybe I'll get a good thumbnail picture. You know how it goes? I don't want to go spend another 20 minutes to make a thumbnail picture after doing the whole video. It's something that's just not great. I'd rather spend 10 minutes. I'm gonna throw it in the Canva or whatever. I mean Canva, sorry. Fix it up. I don't know. I'm going to the paper and go. I understand. Canva sucks, but for $30 for a dookie for a YouTube channel that hasn't made $9, I don't think it's worth it. It's just a fact. Charge so much for that. $50? Okay, that's fine for all the projects, but one, that's something. Oh, yep. Well, maybe the star can help us. Doubt possible. We're on. There we go. I hope we can make it with this car. This is supposed to be the good car. And apparently the good car isn't winning. Maybe I just put it too fast. Okay, let's try this again. Or maybe it's just my skill issue. Driving an off-road car. Okay, yeah, that's a better start. No. This isn't a better start. Continue. But if there's something in this road that I hit, I'd be so annoyed. Right now, but thank God the road is clear. Never mind. Okay, that was instant karma for me. Literally just saying that. Oh well, I mean, how does the city look when it's like this? That's good. Does the city... well... That was gonna happen anyway. If I only started at the city, well no, starting at the city would probably be harder because this bridge isn't intact. So you'd have to go like, you know, over here, and all the way over here, and then over there, and figure out a way across, but yeah, we're underwater. What is that noise, bro? That noise. That noise is something. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. I need to figure it out. 30 minutes goes by. Once I win, I guess it's gonna be the end of the video. It's just the last car I'm using. Watch, we have a video for them for 5 hours. I'm trying to do this. Yeah. Okay. I have a burnt tire. Of course, why wouldn't I? Okay. I like how it takes those jumps. I think it's kind of messed up with the tire. I don't think we messed up. We messed something up. We have something. I wonder what the red signs are. I know, I'm probably gone. Furwood Inn. First on the right. What? Here? I don't see no Furwood Inn. Is it like the house that's there? I mean, that's not really, oh. First on the right. I don't think that's really where it is. I think it's, oh, maybe they meant like over here. Welcome to Furwood Inn. Oh, wow. Is it what, a graveyard? Where'd the thing be? Oh, that's a sawmill. Sure, a sawmill thing? Isn't there? I thought it was somewhere else. Oh. Ah, okay. We're screwed. Yeah, we're screwed. I was doing so good to mess up like that. Come on, we can do it, Let's go. I believe. We go. Come on, bro. It doesn't want to go. No. Is that thunder outside? Oh, the same thing happened. The same exact thing just happened. We ended at the same. I think there is a storm. Oh, wow, there's a big ass storm outside my house. Sheesh. 3, 2, 1. If I lose power, well, that means I just wasted 30 minutes on a video that I'm never gonna post. If I do lose power, then that means the video is not gonna ever show. Hopefully that. Yeah, I need a thunder here. Hopefully my computer doesn't mess up again, or whatever it did, and doesn't lose my files and half my series before the Minecraft series and Beamng.Drive 2. Because I'm already ahead of that thing, Teamwork. So I just stopped. I might have. I went over that last time. I may have not pushed it. You know what? That is for my mistake. Oh my god, I did it again. I only did it again. Okay, that's not even a song, but screw it. 3, 2, 1, go. We're doing this again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We can do this. We can do it. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No. Come on. 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 Let's go. Okay, we're good. This is the best time I've ever made. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let me see if the flood is on. The flood's enabled. Okay, as if it wasn't, that would be so. Let's go. We can do it. Do not turn left. Wait till the next left. Okay, what did the camera mess me up? The camera! No, bro. The camera messed me up. The most I'm doing on this video is 30 minutes, so if I don't do this in the next 5 minutes, you're never gonna see me work. So what area? Always up. Always. Oh my god. No. No. I ain't taking. I was about to say I ain't taking defeat, but I completely took that defeat. There must be a way. How about I lower the speed a tad? How about that? Let's see if that saves me. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Let's go. We can do it. Slow down. Okay. We're gonna do this. The last match I'm ever gonna do it on this. Okay. This is probably my steering. Okay. We do this. Okay. Slow down. Don't mess up. Thank you. It's a first. Little mini drift there. It's not good. That one wasn't really a good drift. Okay, we can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Is it right there? The water level's probably right there. I don't see it right there. Oh wow, just going it a tad did so much. It would be so much further. Well, that's good. Maybe I should race it up. Anyway, come on. So, just by lowering it a single tad. Oh no. No grabber. We definitely got out of the car and did this. Okay. Thank God I didn't fly off the mountain. That would have been just pain. If I flew off the mountain there, look how close I'd be. That's a pretty big rock fall, though. I like how they have like little things of railing everywhere. Oh, nice. I like this map a lot. It's a fun map. Very fun map. Okay, let's go. We can do it. Is that the entrance? Shit, I think that was the entrance. I did not just screw myself up. No, I did. I completely survived. Damn. Up here. Ooh. First time. Wow. I wonder, so, no, this is kind of slow, actually. Oh, wait, so, got another thing over there. Where'd the car be then? Shouldn't there be a car? Why is it just like a, it's weird, I don't know. Well, I think yeah, I need to go over to the rock area, the slidey area, I think. Has it? It might have. What is it doing over? Oh yeah, because it's let me see. Has it engulfed it? Okay. Yeah. And literally right about now just did that area. Okay. We should stop. I'm gonna make the speed a bit quicker. Oh wait, we never put height limit. Oopsies, the height limit was like 100. How about we do 102? Well, it's a bit higher than 102. 102 would have been right there. Yeah, we still would have probably died. What about the original 98? Dang, two numbers did so little there. Okay, wait, let me. Yeah, and then 102. Bam, bam. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I guess. Thanks for watching. And there's nothing else. Oh wow. Yeah, it's the highest point in the map. Goodbye.